and welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber, if you don't know me. If you do know me, you know my name's Amber. Today I'm going to be doing something that I've been wanting to do since I heard about the Instant Influencer from James Charles. I'm going to be recreating all the challenges that James Charles sets for his contestants. So what's going to be happening is the day after the Instant Influencer episode has come out, I'm going to be bringing out my version of what I would have done if I was in the competition. Obviously I can't be in the competition because I'm British and he was only accepting people from America, so I can't do much, can I? But I still wanted to be part of the whole experience, so I decided I'll just, you know, go along with the competition. So let me find my booklet because I've written down important things in here. Today's challenge is the ability to sell products, because James Charles said it was an important part of being an influencer, and honestly I agree. Like, what's the point in being an influencer when you can't influence people to buy things, which makes sense. I have to make my very own product review with one of the products that are behind me. I haven't chosen which one yet. I haven't really thought about it, to be honest, but I'm going to do all that in the time limit. And I have to plan, film and edit this video in 3 hours. And honestly, I think it'll be alright because I'm quite, like, if I know I have 3 hours, I'll do a short video. So at the end of all the stuff leading up to the video, I'm going to put the video at the end so that you guys can see the final result. You'll see me edit some of the video, you'll see me do all that. I have my Nintendo Switch here to show you guys what time it is, and it is 17:34, so that means I have till 20:34, which is 8:30, to actually get everything done. And I'm going to start it right now. So I know I want a product that I can, like, basically use for everything. So I want to use something that I can use as an eyeshadow, a blush and a lipstick, because like, what better way to show someone what a product can do if you can just use it for your whole face. So I don't know, what shall I use? It's obviously got to be some sort of lipstick, or the P. Louise bases. Oh, okay, I can't believe I got them, so that makes it a lot easier. I think I'm gonna go with the P. Louise Rude Boy Red eyeshadow cream stuff. I'm not really sure what it's called, but I know that it's for your eyes, so you can definitely use it for everything else. So I'm gonna go off camera, do my base and everything, show you the time again, make sure you guys know I'm not cheating, and then I'm going to start recording the video. So yeah, right now I'm basically just doing my base and all that, so that when I do my, like, when I put the actual stuff on my face, it's not just on a bare face. Nobody ever puts, well, people probably do it. Also guys, who's your favourite contestant so far? Because mine is Kaylin. She is absolutely amazing. Oh, she's such a breath of fresh air. It's just like, how can somebody be so pretty and so nice at the same time? It's just mad shit. Also, my least favourite lady was that Brittany who went home. She might have finished first, and that's impressive if the product is actually good, but unfortunately she just missed the mark with that one 100%. Like, watching the video I was like, oh my god, what the hell? Like, she had an hour to spare. She could have made this way better than what she did. Like, that Caitlin girl didn't even watch her video back and it was way better. So it just proves to you that slow and steady wins the race. But, you know, that Kaylin still needs to, like, pull her bootstraps up and actually, you know, watch things back, because that'll only get so far. But I do still like her, so she just needs to just plan out time a little bit better. But that's about it for Kaylin. She's doing alright, I like her. I mean Kaylin, I keep calling her Caitlin, but her name's Kaylin. Well, I just know that you guys can tell that I have changed my lighting, because I was thinking my window's over there, it's daytime, and then my ring light was also on that side, so it was just really dark on this side, and now it just looks better. I think it looks better. Do you think it looks better? Well, this is how it's going. This is my setup, okay? I'm setting up whilst I'm doing my makeup. I hope so much that James Charles does a competition in different countries, or at least an international one. I mean, if it's international, I probably won't get in because, you know, I'm not as good as everybody in the world, but I mean, I think that I'd be I'd be alright. I'd stand a chance against the 66 million people in the UK. I don't know. I don't even believe that. I just believe that I just want to do it. I just want the opportunity to be able to, I don't know, be someone and be something and prove to people that I can be someone, and everybody who said I couldn't can fuck off. Or, on the other hand, they could suck my ass. Their choice. I think my base is all done, to be honest, guys. My eyebrows look a bit... yeah. Oh my god, they don't look a bit, yeah, they look a lot, yeah. Okay, now I need to kind of plan what I'm actually gonna do. So, because I'm using this base, I like this base because I can use it as a blush, I can use it as an eyeshadow, and I can use it as a lipstick, so I can have a whole makeup look based on this. So it's going to be easy to showcase it to people. Now I'm going to start the filming process. I'm going to record the video, do all that shit, and then I'm going to, when I'm editing, I'm going to screen record my screen, show you guys what's popping. The first thing I'm going to actually do is I'm going to go off camera, I'm going to research the hell out of this stuff so I know everything about it, everything. I need to know everything about it, okay? So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to come back, check the time we are. What time is it now? Okay, it's 5:52. So let's get crack-a-lacking. Basically what I've done to edit this video is I've cut the parts where I've gone wrong, I've cut the parts where I'm like breathing really heavy. I know when I'm about to say something because I'll go, and today guys, for some reason I just do that all the time, so I just edit that part out, make sure it all sounds great, and basically put it all together. I don't really know what to say. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber, if you don't know me. If you do know me, you know my name's Amber. Today I'm going to be doing a product reveal. I'm going to be showing you guys this brand new product, which is the P. Louise Basic Brights in shade Rude Boy Red. And this retails for £10, you can see on the P. Louise site. And in this little tube you get 15 millilitres of product, which I think is great because that means you can take it on holiday with you. And because of the colour, you can use it for your whole face. And if you don't believe me, keep on watching because it works. Because this product is eye safe, it can be used as liner, eyeshadow, blush, lipstick, mascara. What else could we use it for? You could also use it on your waterline, which I think is great. And if you get any of the other colours up here, it is mixable. And the great thing about it is that it pats matte, which I think is really weird. I think it's quite weird actually. You know, a product that's quite, like it's quite shiny right now, but in a few minutes that will be fully matte. So, I bet you guys want me to just get on with it. So I'm going to start with my eyes, and I'm going to give myself a straight cutthroat look, like sharp edges, big liner type thing. Now look at how sharp and look at how pigmented that is. See, for some people they'd put a red shadow on top of this to set it, but personally I don't think it needs it. I think that this product works perfectly well on its own. And it's better than eyeshadow for a lot of reasons. For one, you can be a lot more precise with a cream liquid. I don't know if you've ever tried to get liquid from a powder eyeshadow, but sometimes it's hard to get the pigment there. But this, every single time, it never fails me. I'm just gonna do the same for the other side here. Hopefully I'll make them even, because, you know, no worse than uneven wings, man. No worse. I'm gonna do underneath the eye, just to show you how it also blends. The best thing as well is you only need one brush for this whole look. Here with my finger, I feel like it just makes it a bit more seamless for the blending. Do my lips, because of course this is a full look with this product, so of course we need to do our lips with it. Now finally I'm going to be using the P. Louise base as a blush. I'm going to use a sponge for this, but you can do it with your hand. I like to do it with a sponge. I just feel like it's much easier to blend. Some people don't really mind. Youth, I mean, I know I've got youth on my side, but we want, you know, like, if you're 30 years old, you want to look like you're 20, and I'm 20, so I want to look like I'm 10, okay? I want to look like a baby. I want to have that baby face. I want to look like I've been kissed by the sun. And when the sun kissed me, I kissed it back, right back. We take my foundation brush and just go over that. I'm not going to put any more product on it. Just go over that, just to make it a bit less harsh. Now I'm going to go off camera, add some lashes, put some highlighter on, etc. And then I'm going to come back and show you guys the finished look. So this is the finished look. I really love this look. I think it's simple, but very, very, very effective. It just like, ooh, she's just out there. She's just ready. She's ready to kill, okay? Look at my eyes. All I've added onto this look is some highlight, some lashes, some waterline liner, and I've added some mascara as well. Not much more added on top, but I really like this look, and honestly I've tried cream blushes before and they've never blended out as well as this has, and this doesn't even claim to be a blush, so that's pretty impressive. Also, P. Louise has a whole Basic Brights collection. If you want any other colour, then you can just pick a blue, put it on, be blue for day. Pick a yellow, put it on, be yellow for day. It's a very versatile product and it has amazing pigmentation. As I've worn this product before, I know that it stays on all day long. Not one shade of leaving or anything like that. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Share it with your friends, I don't mind. If you'd like to buy this product, the link will be down below in the description, just so you guys know where that is. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you later. Bye! So that was it. That was my version of episode 1 of Instant Influencers. So guys, I'd like you to be the judges. Did I do well? Give me some constructive criticism. Give me some pointers, some just straight up savage me, like kill me. Tell me what I did wrong. Tell me what I did right. Tell me what you want me to do next time. Be Paris Hilton. Be Novena. I think that's her name. And I'm going to let the sign off for that bit be the sign off for this bit. So I'll see you later, guys. Bye. See you next week.